talking about the scope in a nutshell, one is what we can do is advising on consultancy matters. These involve income tax and GST consultancy. Whenever any kind of tax planning needs to be done. Now, what is tax planning? Tax planning is something when you are working within the contours of law. What is tax avoidance and tax evasion is something when you have laundered money, when you have evaded the taxes intentionally. You all must be knowing what is mens rea. It is something which is done intentionally. Tax avoidance is something which is morally not correct, but legally it is correct. What is it? It is something that income tax is there, it's a huge, humongous law. They are also people. There can be certain kind of errors. There is a loophole. And a person tells you, this is a loophole, this is the tax planning you can do and save your taxes. It is done within the law. Otherwise, it is not enshrined directly in the law. This is tax avoidance. And tax planning is direct, like it is deductions under Section 80, CA, and all those things. So tax planning and consultancy is one area, answering queries, all those things. One is the compliance work. This includes return filing. This includes refund, other kind of compliance things. Now, lot of compliance work has happened in GST. Maybe you must be aware GST return 9B was to be filed. It was a Herculean task. Everybody was saying it's such a difficult task. That was a compliance part. And then there is representation before the boards, which is the Central Board of Direct Taxes and Central Board of Indirect and Customs. Representation would be like people were saying there were GST was evolving and lot of representations. We as experts, as chartered accountants or perhaps advocates, we were appearing before them and telling that this is to be done, answering their queries, understanding. It's a very intricate kind of a thing. And it's more about policy making. You draft, you help them, and it's fun also. It's a great fun learning experience. And then obviously the fourth one is the litigation in GST and income. Having said that, litigation in any of these areas under income tax also, under reopening, under transfer pricing, under these 5 heads, what I talked about, salary, house property, capital gains, could be there under any of those areas under income tax also.